Hello, buyer's agent. We are just going to show you how Google Drive works, and if you are a Dropbox user or iCloud user or some other storage user, how you can download these strata documents or property information to your own Google Drive or your own Dropbox or own iCloud. So basically, you've got an email from Terry just like this, and here are the property docs for this particular property. And so you would open this up and you would get something like this if you are not a Google Drive user signed into Google Drive. Now, all you would do is say download all to the top right, and see where it's down here on the bottom right, it's saying preparing download, and it's taking all this information and it's bundling it up into a zipped file. And so we have to wait for a minute while it does its magic. And you can look over here. If you look over to the bottom right, there's a little circle. And once the blue is all filled up, that means it's finished zipping the file. Now, if you see this come up that says leave site, you actually do want to say leave. It's a little glitch in Google, because what happens is the file is zipped and it's now sitting in your downloads folder, wherever you save your stuff from downloads from the internet. To open this up, you just tap on here, you say show in folder, slightly different on a Mac, but very similar. You would open this up and then you would cut this and you would paste this into your folder structure in Dropbox or Google Drive or whatever you're using, and all the information will now be with you. If you are a Gmail user or a Google user, when you go and open and click on the link, when you click on the link, it'll open up in a new tab. And if you're not logged on to Google, it'll look exactly the same. But you would and you could do it the same way and say download all, or you could sign in. You would sign in with your Google account. I'll just use this one as a test. Okay, once you log on, you'll be logged on to your Google Drive, and you actually can do the same thing. You can tap here, you say download, and then it does the same thing. It'll just sit here and zip. And if it pops up, you want to say leave. Here it is. Hopefully they'll fix that soon. Then it's downloaded to your download folder and you do exactly the same thing. So enjoy, and I look forward to your offer.